welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the community. Today I want to do another mini review of a new perfume. It's the new YSL Libre Intese, so I wanted to review that for you guys today. So let's get right into it. So I got the small size here. This is like the 1 fluid ounce, I think. So let me spray it. Guys, I hear that I don't have the original, but I have smelled the original. So I gotta say right off the bat that this smells better than the original. I'm not saying the original is bad, but the original is a little bit more unisex smelling, whereas this is a little bit more sweet and a little more dense. This one is less unisex. Guys, this smells really good. I smell lavender and vanilla. That's what I'm smelling the most. So this is a very vanilla, aromatic, sweet, lavender, citrusy, little bit of citrusy, white floral, and little animalic. There's a little spiciness to it, and floral perfume. Obviously I'm smelling the most vanilla and lavender. This has actually a larger dose of lavender than the original. I think the original only had lavender on the top notes. So this one has lavender on the top and in the middle. So you get lavender, mandarin orange, and bergamot in the opening. Bergamot is one of my favorite perfume notes, you guys. You know that lavender is great too. Mon Guerlain has lavender, and it's very sexy if you ask me. I know lavender traditionally is a masculine perfume note. I don't believe in those things. As long as the combination is great, it smells good, it could be unisex. So in the middle you get lavender again, orange blossom, orchid, and jasmine sambac. If you ask me, that orchid, although you predominantly smell the vanilla and lavender, I can smell the orchid too, and then the other florals in there. I think that orchid in it with the white florals and the lavender really gives this perfume that gorgeous, you know, beautiful, feminine kind of feel. You get a lot of florals in the middle. You get lavender, you get orchid, you get Tunisian orange blossom, and jasmine sambac. And on the bottom, vanilla, tonka bean. You can smell the tonka bean, by the way. That's why I like that vanilla smells strong. So when you get vanilla and tonka bean in a perfume, so tonka bean is kind of like vanilla smelling type of perfume note. It smells a little bit vanilla like. So when you have vanilla and tonka bean, it's like a very strong vanilla scent that you get, like a very deep vanilla scent, which is why you're smelling predominantly that sweetness of vanilla with the lavender. Ambergris and vetiver. Ambergris is one of my favorite base notes to have. It gives it like this sort of marine quality, kind of, it's hard to describe. Like it gives this other depth, like layer to perfumes. So I love the bottom notes that, you know, it has. Vetiver probably adds that earthy quality and helps with the longevity too. But yeah, guys, this smells heavenly, heavenly, heavenly. I'm gonna spray it on my skin. Let me smell it on my skin. Yep. I get the vanilla right in the face. Woof, like in tonka bean, I can smell that too. Lavender very much. And then all those florals mixed in. It has this gorgeous smell. And this lasts for a long time, by the way. The day it arrived, I sprayed it on my skin and it lasted all day. So it's very good and long lasting. I have, like I said, smelled the original. I do prefer this a lot more. This is very like, it has that floralness and that lavender and the tonka bean and vanilla mixed in with the other white florals and orchid. Just really, really is a gorgeous perfume, you guys. Highly recommend this. I would recommend this over the original Libre. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps with visibility of my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed my mini review of the YSL Libre Intese today. I really like the perfume. I will see you guys in my next video.